Alright, doing 10 boxes, 2019 Elite. Thank you, everybody. Good luck. Oh, we're back. We're good. Good luck, everybody. Engler, 250. Lara. That's Hortano. Evan White. 399 for Mariner Dog. Fitter. 49. McDonald, 100. Torres. That's Paul and the Cardinals. Hosey. For Renegade and the Dodgers. Lewis, 125. Pepiot, Papois, 40 out of 75. I'm not sure on the team on that one. Dodgers. That's Renegade. McConnell. For Bobby Witt. Dahlbeck, 199. That's Renegade. Pena. For Hortano. Will Holland. Surprised you can't on YouTube. That seems like something they would have. Davidson, 250. De La Cruz. For Poop Truth-a-Doop. Braxton Garrett, 49. For Briven and the Marlins. I don't know. I just went and grabbed those thick sleeves and I have no clue what I did with them. Give me a second here, guys. I'll be right back. Right, Mike? That's 2 heroin breaks tonight. Got a problem, I think. Harris, 250. Espinola. That's Hortano. Ruiz, 199. for Renegade and the Dodgers. Hop 75, Sosa. As Reds West. Shoemake. For Poop Truth-a-Doop and the Braves. Not numbered on that one. That one's even refractor. Prism. Stowers, 250. Toro for Reds West. Kaufman for Jay Walter. Espino, 75. Paguero. That's Hortano. Santillan, 199. Zero Cool on the Reds. Zapata, 75. Smith, 99. Geraldo for Chris and the Blue Jays. Acevedo. That's Reds and the Yankees. What's up, Mike? Did you not see the Santillan jersey, Mike? It's all yours, man. Goss, 125. Amador. Let's see this one. That's Rockies. For Jay Walter. Drew Romo, 18 out of 25. For Athletic. Dean, 150. Baum, 68 out of 75 for Kirby Was a Twink. Matt Manning, 49 for Riley Green and the Tigers. That's Reds West. Vargas, 250. Bo Phillip. Poop Truth-a-Doop. Sanford for Dominguez and the Yankees. I think Jimmy has about 5 different names on this one. Blade, 75. Garcia, 8 out of 10. For Jason Dominguez and the Yankees. Parkinson for Jay Walter. Scooball, 250. Marsh. That's Bobby Witt. Grisham, 149. For Kirby Was a Twink. Tamares, 25. Yeah, the non-auto die cut, Mike? That'd be awesome. It's like a dream card. Somebody out there's going to be lucky enough to get it one of these days. That really happened? Brito, 125. Cabrera. I believe that's Yankees. That's Yankees on Cabrera. Sosa. For Ortano. Josh Wolf, 250. Nick Lodolo. Oh, got nice patches on this one. 0 cool. Widener, 4 out of 5. That is jersey cards and the D-backs. Malone, 49. Mears, 75. Massey. That is Bobby Witt. McKenzie, out of 25. That's Paul and the Indians. Witt, 9.99. Gorski, 99. Cole Wilcox, 99. That's Athletic. Severino for Hortano. Mears, 250. Herrera, 4 out of 25. That's Paul and the Cardinals. Dominic Fletcher, 48 out of 50. For jersey cards. Vaughn, Prism. So far on the Jays, it was... We did hit a Jays. I forgot who it was, though. Geraldo auto, I think. Callahan, 150. Sosa. I'm not sure I'm supposed to have to look that one up. Harrison, 99. That's Athletic. Zapata, 25. Sosa have a team? Twins on Sosa? Learn something new every day. Twins on Sosa. Malone, 250. Rodriguez. As Reds and the Twins. Evan White, 452. Vargas, 99. Hill. Jersey cards and the D-backs, 150. I think it's when it's 2 it jumps to 3, right? Fitter, 250. Mesa Jr., 299. That's Briven. Smith for Dominguez and the Yankees. Fitter, 49. Quintana, 100. Pastrano. That's Paul and the Indians on Pastrano. Kevin Smith, 99. For Chris and the Blue Jays, Rutschman, Optic. Yeah, yours changed at 2, John? Pretty sure the correct thing is at 2 it changes to 3 for whatever reason. Like, why not just make it midnight? I remember the greatest thing was when I was working for the post office. When the way they do it, when the time goes ahead, you get to leave an hour early but still get paid that hour. And then when the time goes back, they make you stay until your regular time, but they give you overtime. I hate it too. Some people it doesn't bother. Some people, and I hate it. Dahlquist. Peguero. That's jersey cards. Parkinson, 27 out of 50. Jay Walter. Everybody's trying to change like permanent daylight savings though. Oh, dang. Is that going to be Zephyr John, 99. Riley Green. For Riley Green. Is it just based off the color? None of these are numbered. Like they only make so much of certain colors? Michael King. Andrew Vaughn, 49. Widener, 1 of 1. Why does the 1 out of 5 have better patches? Let's switch out those patches on that. I said jersey cards. Classic Panini, right? Spencer Steer, 100. For Reds, Kirk, 150. Triolo, 250. Caraway, 49. As Athletic, Severino, for Hortano. Espinola, 75. Song, 100. Dyson. I'm not sure on Dyson. Cantillo, out of 50. As Reds. Nationals on Dyson. D-backs were 43. They were part of that filler we did. Do you live in... Oh, I didn't... My sister-in-law and her husband moved to Arizona. That's the way to do it, man. Just keep it all the same. Thompson, 75. Pastrano, did we just hit Pastrano? Lacey. That was Athletic. Yeah, there's a Pastrano. Man, these are good. Song? I don't think we hit too many in the first half. Amador. That's Jay Walter in the Rockies. Forrest Whitley out of 25. For Reds and the Astros. McDonald, 150. Fletcher. For Paul and the Cardinals. Cabello. 19 of 100. That one's, I think, Yankees. Yankees on Cabello. Whoa. Harris. Kyle Lewis. That is Mariner Dog. And Smith out of 100. For Dominguez and the Yankees. Yeah, 1-1's just a plain jersey. There's another one right there. Diaz. Marquez, 101 auto. That's Jay Walter. Garrett, 199. That's a Jay Walter. Henry, 25. And Posticula. Pepia, 125. Campbell. For Mariner Dog. Diaz. Oh man, just what everybody wants. Let's see, I'm not sure on Diaz. That's Rays on Diaz. Basabi, 150. Wenzel, 25. That's Reds West. Gaston, 75. For Pipes and the Rays. Castro, 150. Garcia, 150. Eli White out of 25. That was Reds West. Dean, 15 out of 25. We got a lot of low-numbered stuff in this case. That's Poop Truth-a-Doop. I think there's like 4 guys in this set with that same spelling too. There's another one, Duran. Fletcher. I think that's the second Fletcher. As jersey cards. Thompson. Rangers. White Sox. Way off. It's probably just, well, it got traded and then it's all they had. I'm assuming he got traded. Brown for Chris and the Blue Jays, and Kirk for Chris and the Blue Jays. Pretty sure he did. Yeah, first few years he's with the A's. But I don't know if they're, I don't think they're game worn, so just says player used. Why not just seems like player used is so general you could have him do anything with it. Not even be in physical contact with it, and you're good. Alright, box 9, good luck. Espino, 150. Harris. Kirby was Twink. Florentino, 100. That was Reds West. Oh, feels fat. Trammell, 9 out of 10. That is 0 cool. Ah, it's just a jersey. I'll keep it, Mike. And Abrams. Here was my Abrams theory. I think that's 3 Abrams this case. That was Reds West. Alexander, Seos, for Paul and the Cardinals. Tavares, 25 out of 25 for Reds West. Castro, 49. Send it to you, Doug. You got it. Wolf, 75. Brown, 99. That's Athletic. Escanio. That's Hortano. Dominguez, 250. Zephyr for Renegade. Joe Ryan, 75. For Pipes and the Rays. Yeah, thinking like, I don't know if, probably NT, right? They didn't have any in flawless. Did they have any in flawless last year? Just the super high end. I don't really remember seeing a LeBron out of flawless. Yeah, last box. Good luck. Davidson, 99. Henry. That's jersey cards in the D-backs. Rutschman, 125. That's Fortano and the Orioles. Langoliers, 250. Mears. For Reds and the Padres, Lugo. For Renegade and the Red Sox, Morden. You think they just save him for like some sort of a throwback set? Rodriguez. It's not like they're just going to stop making LeBrons. Garcia. For Jay Walter out of 49. Harris out of 75. For Poop Truth-a-Doop. Wenzel, 125. Jimmy Lewis, 17 out of 75. That's Renegade. Callahan, 99. That's Zero Cool. McConnell, 150. Ekstrom, 99. Are you going to hold that one for about 5-6 years, Dale? And Thad Ward for Renegade. Ethan Small, 25. You sure did, Mike. Congrats. Alright, it was White, Smith, McKenzie, Rutschman, Callahan, Trammell out of 10, Tavares, Diaz, Thompson, Garrett, Whitley, King, Widener 1 of 1, and Widener out of 5. Manning, Grisham, Santillan, Ruiz, White, Dahlbeck. And autos were Henry, Mears, Lugo, Garcia, Harris, Lewis, Ekstrom, Ward, Harris, Florentino, Abrams, Seas, Brown, Escanio, Zephyrjon, Ryan, Campbell, Wenzel, Gaston, Eli White, Dean, Fletcher, Brown, Kirk, Amador, Smith, Pastrano, Lacey, Fletcher, Cabello, Paguero, Parkinson, Steer, Caraway, Severino, Dyson, Cantillo, Green, Rodriguez, Hill, Mesa Jr., Smith, Pastrano, Harrison, Sosa, Massey, Wilcox, Severino, Herrera, Fletcher, Cabrera, Sosa, Lodolo, Amador, Romo, Baum, Phillip, Sanford, Garcia out of 10, Parkinson, Marsh, Espinola, Sosa, Shoemake, Toro, Kaufman, Paguero, Geraldo, Acevedo, Garrett, Lara, Torres, Hosey, McConnell, Pena, De La Cruz, Pepiot, Dominguez 250, Marquez 101 auto, and Kyle Lewis out of 5. All right, we have 150. Top spot gets 150. Four times. Good luck. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Going to pipes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining. Thank you for filling that up.